viewers, today I've also come with a new topic as my everyday routine. So today's topic is one of the interesting topic. Why I'm telling that? Today we will know about the intelligence of ant. So we see a lot of ants in the land. So let's know about their intelligence. Now let's know from the first. When we think about the intelligent animal, then we think about api. Or also think about, do you know that this apis is one kind of insect, then api is one name of one kind of animal which is also looks same like the gorilla or another kind of animal. So let's know who is the smartest insect. Let's know that this insect is ant. Let's know all of the intelligence about ant. Let's know from the first. Ant is animal which look like a normal, but I can understand the rain is coming from the first. So they make a line and go to the hole and store money. Not money, they store food and then they eat that. But let's know about their power. And during that, the ants make livestock. Yes, the livestock is apis. So this is one kind of little insect which they make as livestock. We make our livestock hen. I hope that some of you doesn't know about the meaning of the livestock. Livestock means the pet. We make pet. If you make hen, if a hen as your pet, then it is also a livestock. It's also a livestock of you. And also many things like that. Cow, goat, some foreigners also make pig, another kind of. This dog is also. And a lot of kind of animals like that. But they also make like the same as livestock, apis. They eat that as hen. We eat hen, they eat the apis. So, do you know that in them, the business also captured. They make a business by money. But their money is a little another type of. Their money is not like as paper money. They use another kind of elements. So, do you know that these ants has many kind of intelligence, same like the human. Such as make livestock. Number 2, cultivation. Number 3, there is also used as treatment and also breeding and also another kind of things. So, let's know about that term. Now, till now, we have known about 2 things. But do you know that they make their home as own? They doesn't use another kind of home. When they got it problem, then they go in a hole. But not. They make their home. It's so much special things of them. Do you know that the ants also want to eat the leaves, but they can't. Why? Do you know that? In the plants, there are many kind of minerals or also fibers. They can digest that. They can only digest fungi and another kind of little insects. So when they eat fungi, then they have to cultivate that in the nest. So how will they cultivate it? The fungi can eat the leaf, means the fiber of the leaves. In a leaf, there are a lot of kind of fiber cells and another. But the ants can eat that. The ants can only eat the fungi. So they cultivate that as making their food. They also cultivate these apis for making their food. They also get another kind of pieces of fruit and bread, etc. for making their food. Do you know that they has an army team? Yes. Ants has some army teams. So who are them? The army teams are they. Because why? When any kind of animal or insect come in, then they spray acids them to confuse them. They have also the same technique for confusing them. So then the another animals become confused. Who is it? Who is it? They get seems like that. They have died. They have no life. Then the animal think that no interesting on that. They go, but they are alive. So it's one of the secret power of the ants. Do you know that in that way you can also know these ants also make another army team for searching their food, a special force who will find all the area's food. Where is the food? Where is the leaf? Where is the fungi they can eat? So much intelligent. They also cultivate. They make livestock. So what is the lackage? I become confused. Man. What is the lackage? So this is one of the confusing matter in the life of the ants. Do you know that the ants like to do like that? They like to find and they like to work for their home. They make their nest. They live there. They eat their food, and also they find their food. Yeah, and do you know that the this kind of ants also development in the genetic of the fungi. There are many classes of ants. Some are big, some are little, some are a lot of little. So they take fungi from each other and develop their fungi. They are also genetic engineers. So do you know that they develop this kind of fungi and make better for eating. So they also do the same things like in the apis. So do you know that they also eat bugs, and they also eat which is can able to eat. Such as in the environment there are many kind of fruits they eat. They eat specifically some kinds of leaves which is very soft. They cannot eat the hard leaves like a mango tree, a jackfruit tree. They can't eat. But when a Spanish tree are little, then they eat that. So who of you cultivate those kind of things, please become safe from them. They will destroy all of that. Do you know that the ants always try to get those kind of place which is safe for them? Do you know that they doesn't go outside lonely. They make a team of them, and then they go in a place. They also do hard industry every time. They also do hardest work. Do you know that the ants are making also a lot of things. They watch TV, but their TV is not like us. This is another kind of. They make scientists in them, but there is a problem. If the dad of the ant or the parents of the ant become a force, army force, then the ant also become army force. King, it will also become king. Or cobbler, it will also become cobbler. They doesn't do like cobbler, but it's an example. You can know about the ant intelligence. So they are very intelligent than the human. They can understand the rain is coming, but can human understand that? They understand and will come before 1 week, 4 days, or 5 days ago. But human have to take their machines. Without that, or gadgets. Without that, they can't. So they are very intelligent. So there are also many kind of theories like that on the ant. One of the scientists has also tell that they can do that production, many kind of production, many species of the fungi they product. They make a big productive place like paddy. We used to product paddy. They used to product the fungi, but not specific fungi. By developing, they may make one another fungi that it becomes so much good to eat. Do you know that they try also some kind of soft fibers? They like to eat soft fibers,
Rabindra.
and they so what's fungi? If your one of the hand become infected, some kind of white things you can understand. This is also a kind of fungi. Fungi also may become many kind of. It's also become in the side of the dead fish or dead tree. They collect that, then eat that. They also eat food.
নলিবাবু দেবো না
And now they are also doing many kind of things which is very very nice. So who of you like ants? Comment. And do you know that the ants live in about 2.7 kilometer in a place and make about 4,500 and make home and live about 350 million of ants live here. So you can understand that the intelligence about ants. So for every human is that ant is very intelligent. Don't kill them. They have also sins. They like to eat food. So what can they do? They are also creatures like that, us. Human is also creature. There is also creature. Now I hope all I have tell about two kind of animals. The first animal is that glowworms, and today I have talked about ant. So two kind of insects we have described, and I hope that in the future I will also describe many kind of animals like that. In the birds I've also described about Petrosaurus. So that all the animals was very nice, and every animal's kingdom has their own power, like the ants, and it's so much nice. The God has given every insect, snake. Do you know that if the snake didn't have the venom, they were very rare from the world because people kill them if they have no any kind of venom. If do you know that the big snake is not venomful because why? They have the power to scratch the people. So like the same way, ants are so much little. So the God has also given them another kind of power. So always try to walk like that. For ants, I won't destroy the home of ants. Like to do like that. Don't kill them. It's not the right way. And also become happy like Gavindra. So today this topic was very very nice, and also we can know about the ants. There are a lot of kingdom of ants. Today we have know about only the kingdom of the black ants and also the red ants. Not the red. Yes, there is also red ants. So these are the kingdoms, but you will become shocked about that. There is also a lot of kingdoms of ants. So many things is left to know about the ants. So let's again remember how can they do, which kind of work they do. So number 1, they find their food. Number 2, they make their home. Number 3, they make a safe army. Number 4, they also has a special force of army. Number 5, they like to watch TV like things. Number 6, their product fungi. Number 6, they not number 7, they make pets, means livestock. 7 powers. And but now till some kind of things. Number 8, they can understand how is the weather. Number 8, they has the power of genetic engineer. And number 10, they has the powerful sense. 10 powers in one little ant. So try to don't kill them. So a lot of things like that in our world are situated like that. So this was our topic today. So if you want to get more vlogs like that, follow my YouTube channel. You know that in my YouTube channel there are a lot of things like that, and also biology, by geography, and the district discussion test classes and a lot. Please subscribe my channel that I become more motivated to make more vlogs like that. So I have made my vlog. So let's know about Ravindra, and I hope that in the previous winter I have made a vlog of him who is here. He was looking so much cute, and now you can see that the beautiful hairs of Avindra again. And after these hairs are very beautiful. So I hope that I will also make a reel on the beautiness of Avindra, and then I will most again and talk. But one message, that my examination will become a stop in the next day, because my the last examination of 2023, the religion examination, the subject is religion in the class 4. So I will also go in the class 5. So this is also a happy time. So by that all way, I am thinking that I will make master vlog of the last day. So try to follow my vlogs. So stop my vlogs here. Bye. See you in the next vlog.